Welcome back to our channel. I hope you liked our previous video on the introduction to software testing. Today I will be covering what you need to know before you start your software testing journey. There are a few essential things you need to know and have. In this video, I'll walk you through the ideal laptop specification you need, the key platforms and tools to download, and the important topics you must learn to become a successful tester. The laptop specification for the software testing journey are 1. A minimum of 4 GB RAM. 2. The recommended processor is i5. 3. A minimum of 6 GB free space on disk. And 4. The recommended disk is an SSD. List of platforms you will need and tools to download are 1. Internet browsers like Chrome and Firefox. 2. Selenium IDE. 3. Text editor like the Visual Studio Code, Bracket, and Notepad++. 4. Adobe Reader. 5. Postman. 6. IntelliJ IDEA, MySQL and MySQL, Workbench, and Java Open JDK 11. 7. Project or test management tools or error reporting tools like Jira, Confluence. 8. Test case writing tools like TestRail and Testify. 9. Maven, just the Maven project built into IntelliJ. 10. Microsoft Excel or set up a Google Excel sheet. 11. Developer tools in the web browser. 12. A GitHub, GitLab account which you would use to upload your code to the repository. And 13. A WebDriver. The topics to cover in software testing are 1. Introduction to software testing. 2. Introduction to Agile, SDLC, and Scrum. This would be a brief introduction before the entire scope is taught in full. 3. Types of software testing, which includes the functional and non-functional testing. 4. Levels of testing, which includes unit testing, integration testing, system testing and acceptance testing. 5. Bug lifecycle or defect management. 6. Test documentation, planning and design. User stories. 7. Manual and automation testing. 8. API testing. 9. Performance testing. 10. Mobile testing. 11. Database testing. 12. Security testing. 13. Agile testing. 14. Career preparation like building your resume or CV as tester, answering common questions, creating a testing portfolio, creating a GitHub for testers, ISTQB certification overview and looking for an internship, freelance job or remote jobs. Conclusion. Now that you know what you need to begin with, you're one step closer to starting your software testing journey right. If you need help installing any of these tools or programs I listed, or you're stuck on anything, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help.